Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as promised, I am going to be doing a little sunglasses haul slash unboxing of the restocked DESI by DESI Perkins sunglasses. I'm so excited about these. If you guys haven't watched my last video on the 2 pairs of sunglasses that I got the first time that they came out, make sure to check it out. I'm gonna link it somewhere in the video for you, and I'll put it in the description box too. But I absolutely loved them, so I literally could not wait for the restock. It finally came. I set my alarm for 11 o'clock on the dot. I got all the ones that I was wanting, and I saw that they were available for actually quite a while on the website, so that was really nice. But that's what today's video is gonna be. We're gonna be unboxing these, trying them on, seeing how I like them. Before we get into it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But if you wanna see my unboxing and try on haul of the DESI sunglasses, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So before I try any of the sunglasses on, I just wanna say that I feel like this second launch for the sunglasses, or the restock, went really well. I know there were a couple technical issues with that first launch, which is to be expected with any brand's first launch, I feel like, but this one went really well. I think pretty much everyone got a chance to get at least one of the pairs of sunglasses that they were wanting. I got 5, so that says a lot right there. My sister was a little bit late to order hers, and she still was able to get the ones that she was wanting, so that was really exciting for her. And the shipping on this was so quick, you guys. I am from Chicago. These came from California, and the restock was Thursday. These came today, Monday, so that's really fast. And I saw that she was posting that people that lived in California were getting them the next day. So I think that is really exciting. The shipping was extremely fast. I was prepared to get express shipping because I could not wait to get these, but clearly I didn't have to because they came so quick anyways. When they came in a cardboard box, obviously. They came with this card. This card came in my last package for that first launch as well. It just says DESI is born, and there's a cute little note on here as well. And then she's wearing a pair of the sunglasses on the front. And then I got 5 pairs, like I said. So they came in 2 separate boxes. So they couldn't all fit in one. And I haven't opened them yet. I was waiting until I could film to open these, so I'm extremely excited to rip them open. I'm gonna open the first one. I don't know what is in which box, so let's just start with the first one. The sunglass cases come in this little plastic wrap, which is nice, keeping them clean. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open them one by one and try them on one by one for you guys. And it comes with this really nice quality case. I got this with the other 2 pairs that I ordered last time as well, and it's really good. Okay, I opened, this was one of the pairs that I was the most excited about for the entire launch. But before I get into that, the other thing that comes in each of the boxes is this little pouch, which I'm obsessed with, because if you're anything like me, your sunglasses break and you lose your sunglasses a lot. And I feel like this really helps with preventing them from getting scratched, breaking, whatever, because I just throw them around in my purse. I know I shouldn't, but I do. So enough about that. The first pair that I got is fall back. I think for the first launch, these sold out within literally like seconds. So I'm so excited I was able to get these this time. But I just want to pay attention to all the little details for a second. So as you can see, I don't know if you can actually see, but on the corner right here, in little lettering, it says DESI. And then there is that little gold triangle that she was saying was kind of her signature thing. And then you have it on the sides too, just a longer version. On one side, it tells you the style name, which is fall back. And then on the other side, it just says DESI. These right off the bat are really sturdy and kind of, they have weight to them, you can tell, so you already know they're gonna be good quality. The arms don't feel flimsy at all, so I feel like they're gonna stay on my head exactly how I need them to, but I'm gonna just put these on. Okay, I'm already obsessed. These are like the perfect size. Like, I feel like I picture myself in these after a night of too much drinking. Me wearing like sweatpants and a baggy sweater, and I just don't want to be seen. That's how I see myself in these sunglasses, and I am obsessed. And you could wear these on a regular day if you're feeling like it. Who am I to judge? But these are really nice, you guys. I'm not gonna take too long on each pair because we have 5 to get through, so I'm gonna move on to the next pair, but I'm so obsessed with Fallback. Hopefully when she gets a restock, I can grab them in another color too. I got black because that was the one that I was wanting the most, but all of the other colors just look absolutely beautiful, so I will be getting some of those. But the next pair that was in here, again, comes in that plastic covering. Okay, these, oh my god, these are the other ones that I was really excited to get. Everyone that I knew kept telling me don't get these. No one else that I knew liked them really, but I am obsessed with this kind of style. I wanted these so bad. I think they're like the perfect statement piece. I got these in 2 colors. I got brown, which is what you're gonna be seeing, and then I got the blue, so I'm sure you guys already know which ones I'm talking about. But again, they come with this little pouch to keep them safe. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna take it out of this little covering. I also really appreciate how much they wrapped these sunglasses up. Like, they really did not want these scratching or breaking or anything during the shipping process, because they were packed in plastic wrap, and then that case, and then another plastic wrap. That pouch was in there, so these are just not breaking. So these are the On Red sunglasses. They're like that really cool kind of sharp edge style. These are not for everybody, I think. Again, like I said before, these are more like a statement piece. These are going to be perfect for taking nice, stylish, trendy pictures. These have been so much in style right now that I honestly have not seen anyone online that doesn't have a pair that's similar to these. So I was really excited about them. I knew they were gonna be good quality because the other ones that I tried from DESI were really good quality. So I wanted to spend the money. They're not expensive for how good of quality they are. So let's just try them on. And these are definitely a browse out kind of sunglass. So I would probably wear them like this, so you can still kind of see me judging you from far away. Like, you still want to kind of be able to see my eyes, but you definitely want to see my eyebrows. I definitely would not wear this outfit with these sunglasses. And again, that detail on the sides of them is just really there. Like, you can tell that they put in work on these sunglasses. So I'm obsessed right now. That is it for the first box. So we're gonna move on to the second box that has 3 pairs of sunglasses in it. Yeah, this one is packed. Okay, so the first pair that I'm grabbing, again, taking it out of this packaging. They all come with the same case, same style, same color, same everything, and the pouch inside is the same as well. So I'm not gonna show you guys all of that over and over again, but okay, sweet. This next pair, I'm so excited. So in my last video, make sure you watch it, guys, I ordered 2 pairs. I was able to get the Harper and the top shelf. The top shelf I got in rose gold, and I really liked them, but I saw some people wearing those black with the clear gradient, and I wanted them so bad, so I was able to get them during the restock. But this is what they look like. How sick are these? Like, you don't see aviators that look like this. Again, they also have that detail on the sides that tells you the established date/year and the style, and then it says DESI in the corner as well. So let's try these on. Okay, I'm obsessed. I really liked the rose gold, but I think this is definitely more of an everyday kind of sunglass. Like the rose gold, you kind of have to wear something specific to those sunglasses. This you can literally throw on with anything and it'll match pretty much. So I am really, really obsessed. And I don't usually like how aviators look on me, but I'm really feeling these, and I think my boyfriend will too. I know these are unisex, and these can go both ways for sure. They're just like that classic aviator style. So if you're a guy, if you're a girl, you can wear them. So I'm obsessed. I think I like these more than the rose gold ones, to be honest. Like I said, these are just like an everyday kind of color and style. The rose gold kind of has that more specific look to it, but these are going to be the perfect everyday sunglass. These are like the kind of sunglasses that I'd keep in my car and wear with me to work, to the mall, wherever I go, because I know they're gonna look good no matter what. Okay, the next pair is also the On Red, but this is the Quartz, the blue ones. I had so many people, again, tell me not to get these, especially because they're blue. So I had so many people tell me like, why are you spending money on this? You're never gonna wear them. They're blue sunglasses. They don't match with anything. But I do not care. I needed these. If there is a statement piece for sunglasses out there, this is it. Like I literally am picturing myself right now with just like a pair of mom jeans, a white crop top, a fuzzy jacket, and these, and I love it. Look at this, I'm not mad at it. Definitely a browse out thing. You can't wear them like this, because you're gonna look like that meme, so don't do it like this. For me personally, I definitely think I'm going to be wearing them like this. Like this, it's trendy. Like this, it just looks funny, in my opinion. So definitely this kind of style, but this for me, I think, is going to be more of a Instagram picture kind of trendy look kind of sunglasses, or I could even do like this and it just looks really, really cute. Even if you're not gonna wear them, they just look cute on top of your head. So you can't go wrong with these. I'm not mad about the money I spent. I love them. They're heavy. They feel like they're really good quality. All of these sunglasses feel like designer quality, but not designer price. Like all of these are under $100, so you're not spending that much money, but I feel like these are gonna last me such a long time because they're all so heavy, so thick, so like the best quality, and they all have so much attention to detail. Like I love the fact that it has the names on the sides of all of them. I love that she added this little DESI in the corner of all of them. It's just really small details that you can really appreciate when you have sunglasses, because a lot of times you just see that with designer brands. So I feel like I'm wearing a designer brand with these. I'm obsessed. The last pair that I got is, I'm so excited about these. I was going back and forth for such a long time debating whether to get this color or the rose gold. I decided on black and gold just because I thought it would go with a lot more different outfits, different looks. So I picked this. If I end up loving it, I will probably get the rose gold too, but this is the 2000's. I'm so insanely obsessed with this black and gold. I just love the contrast between the gold here, the gold over here, the black, and it's just undescribable. Like they had an all black version and I love that one too, but I just feel like this has something about it that's just totally different from what you see every day while still being an everyday kind of sunglass. So I'm obsessed. But the rose gold was just speaking to me. That color is just something else on this kind of style. So we'll see. Let's see if we like them. Wow, I think this might be one of my favorite. I definitely would wear these lower too, just because I like the idea of my eyebrows showing with these. But these are also the type where if you want to wear them all the way up, you can get away with it too. I just like this a little bit better. Makes me feel like a boss bee. This is gonna be one of my favorite styles for sure. I think this and the black top shelf are going to be my go-to every single day sunglasses, because this classic black you could literally wear everywhere whenever you want to and they will look good. Just not if you're wearing silver jewelry, unless you mix your metals, that's fine too. But I really, really like this. So again, very small, but it says the 2000s on the side. It says DESI. It has that classic DESI on the corner over here. And this one has those adjustable nose pieces. So if like your boyfriend or your brother or somebody is wearing these and it's not fitting right, they can just adjust. And then when you want to wear them again, you could just adjust them to fit your nose. So I really, really like that detail about these. Not many sunglasses, again, have that. And it has DESI engraved in that nose piece as well, but it's covered with like this kind of rubbery material so that you don't get DESI engraved on the sides of your nose. So there's just so many details going on here that just help to make these sunglasses as amazing as they are. But that was all 5 of the sunglasses that I purchased during the restock. I'm so beyond happy with every single pair that I got. I could not be more excited to go and wear these in public. I'm literally gonna find an excuse to go somewhere right now so I can at least wear a couple of them, because all of them have something extremely unique to them. All of them feel insanely high quality. All of them are wearable whenever the hell you wanna wear them. They're just so amazing. Like, I can't describe to you guys, like, you need to just go get it for yourself to see how good these are. Like, these literally feel like designer sunglasses, but you're paying like 60, 70 bucks for them, which is really not bad for a high quality pair of sunglasses that I personally think is gonna last a pretty long time, especially if you're careful with your sunglasses, which I need to be better about. But I'm so happy with these. This makes 7 pairs of sunglasses now that I have from the company, DESI. So I have these 5, and then again I have those other 2, the rose gold top shelf and the black Harper sunglasses. So I got every single style except for Charge It. That was just the one style that I personally wasn't a huge fan of, that I couldn't really see myself putting to use that much. So that was the only pair I didn't get, but every other style I have now. Every style I love and I'm going to be wearing all the time. I was never a sunglasses person really before. Like, if I found a pair I liked, I would just wear that one pair all the time. But this is making me kind of step out of my comfort zone with sunglasses, wear different ones depending on the occasion, use those statement piece sunglasses. So everything about this restock, everything about this brand in general, I'm just obsessed with. The customer service is amazing. The shipping was so beyond fast. So everything about this experience was so perfect. I just can't say enough good things. I love these sunglasses. You need to go get some for yourself so you can see what I'm talking about. But that's all I've got for you guys today. That was my kind of unboxing and try on of all the sunglasses that I got from the DESI CO restock. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to comment down below and let me know which ones were your favorites, if you didn't like any of them, or if you absolutely loved a certain pair that you're thinking of getting. Let me know. I want to know what you guys are thinking of these. Or if you've already gotten a pair, let me know which ones you ended up choosing and which ones are your favorite. So make sure to comment. Give this video a huge thumbs up again for me, please. Make sure to share with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But that's all I've got. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.